on. I have a question. Okay. I'll take Huh?
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Dreams on melatonin. They say not to take it every single night. But
that's right.
There was
You and me, right now. We're having it out. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
No, 7. Oh, okay. Not too bad then. What was his backstory? Wasn't his melatonin sadly only made me stay awake. What do you think that's all about? But it would make you stay awake. He got the Spanish. Primitive tools. Leather let's go back separately because we would want to was born later, but not feral. I know. Why did Jasper play him? Like, why was he played like that? He was played like he was like a feral animal. Melatonin has wildly different effects on people. Your brain should naturally produce melatonin when it's dark. That's why it's stay awake longer because your brain continues to produce it since it thinks it's dark out still. Oh, wow. That's why I'm such a sleepy girl. Ooh, big melatonin. What do you need from me? I love my melatonin. In my community college, they could have worked at. They had to pick high school. I know. At least go for like hang out with people of age. You know? Why are you hanging out with a bunch of kids? Kind of weird. I am an ageless